On February 21st, 2026, Creative Defense Foundation, as part of its Disruptors in the Desert event, transformed a quiet desert resort in California into something very different. A forward operating base on the edge of the future fight. For 1 hour, 9 small teams demonstrated what modern warfare increasingly demands. Systems that were never designed together operating as one integrated capability. Not through rigid integration, but through composability. Across the command wall, a common operational picture stretched from seabed to sky. Autonomous surface vessels guarded distant ports. Ground robots secured perimeters. Drones maneuvered through a hostile canyon beyond the resort. Each system was different. Each company brought its own software, sensors, and autonomy stack. Yet, through a composable construct enabled by human integration, these capabilities became a living kill web where assets could be dynamically retasked to complete the mission. Havoc AI linked assets, threats, and missions into a dynamic mission graph, allowing operators to move from global sea lanes to a single canyon in seconds and retask unmanned systems with mission-level commands. Reveal then expose the terrain and electromagnetic geometry of the battlefield, identifying where adversaries could hide and where drone routes could ride the ridgelines. Echodyne radar turned that model into reality, detecting small drones moving through complex terrain and feeding those tracks back into the shared operational picture. Red Cat's Black Widow drone launched to clear the canyon. Skydio provided overwatch of the battlefield, providing consistent battle space awareness, delivering platoon-level reconnaissance without sending soldiers into a blind kill zone. CX2 then hunted the controller behind the attack, using RF sensing to guide blue forces toward the unseen operator. And Gambit orchestrated the response, ingesting data from multiple systems and automatically building a mission thread to neutralize the threat. Finally, Extend Swarm platform executed the final phase. One operator commanding seekers and strikers with mission understanding and human authority in the loop. Every piece came from a different company. But composability turned them into a composable warfighting alliance. This is why composability matters. Future conflicts will not be fought with single platforms or closed systems. They will be fought with networks of autonomous capabilities that must integrate rapidly across companies, domains, and missions. And this is where Creative Defense Foundation comes in. CDF's mission is to demonstrate what composable warfare actually looks like. Not in theory or in talking points, but in real operational scenarios. Today, it was one canyon. Tomorrow, it will be larger theaters, more sensors, more autonomous assets, and increasingly complex kill chains. Because the force that can compose capabilities fastest will dominate the battlefield.